Chris at H&I Automotive with another Motor Minute, and today I just want to introduce you to H&I's new rewards card program. We used to have the program where we sent you the coupons in the mail to bring back in. This one makes it much easier. We're going to give you one of these cards, and every time you come in for service, we're going to load 3% of your invoice back onto this card. And then we can go ahead and keep just building it up until you get to a certain amount that you want to use it, or you can just use it every time you come in. If you forget the card, don't worry, we'll put your card number on file so we'll know exactly what number is yours and how much is on it, so we'll take care of you that way. Second thing it'll do, it also will act as a gift card, so if you want to give a gift card to a family member or friend, just come on in, let us know how much you want to put on it, we can preload it, you can give this card to that person and they can use it from there. So it's a great program, hope you like it. Just another way that we take care of our customers, and we want to show you our appreciation. So we do appreciate the business everybody gives us, and hopefully you like this too. So remember to go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.